Hello everyone, today we have the great honor to be with Sandy from Shinglong. Hi Sandy.
Hello, Daniel.
Hi Sandy. Okay Sandy, K2022 is the first big show after COVID-19 started, which actually influenced a lot in all manner in the world actually. From your perception, have been there any changes in the industry and what is different after 3 years?
Because of COVID-19, it has 3 years we can only stay in Taiwan. So in this case, it is important because of the pandemic. So everyone will come to this show and see the market trend. Because in this show, we saw the lifestyle is changed, and many one think about how to use multi-layer die or multi-layer film. And the inquiry from our customers is also changed. So it's very different from the last case and this case.
Oh, that's really interesting. Definitely
Yes.
there have been some changes then.
Yes.
Okay, Sandy, and I have one more question. K22 has three main topics:
Yep.
digitalization, climate protection, and circular economy. How does Shinglong do the implementation of these three trends on your equipment?
In Shinlong, we focus on the second one, the
Okay.
digital one.
Yeah.
Because we have the system about the more flow analysis.
Okay.
This system will help our customers to know the die height and efficiency, the process and the output and something else. For our customers, it's the most important thing is the output.
Oh, definitely.
Yes. So we will have the best choice for them to have a design and give them the position.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's really interesting actually. And also, I have one more question.
Yep.
What is your forecast after this K2022? Do you think it's going to be new markets to develop?
I think yes, because the lifestyle is changed and many people think how to have the efficient experience or efficient economy. So I think in the future or maybe in the next case, it will have different multi-layer die height for us.
For sure.
Yeah, because we focus on that.
Will be more new developments. That's
Yes.
for sure. Okay, well, thank you very much for your time, Sandy.
Thank
and
you.
if you have any question or you want to inquire about Shinglong equipment, please leave your comment below. See you.
See you, bye.